Traders wanted. I'm talking to the trader who knows he wants more structure, more focus, more consistency, more knowledge, more power, all done under the right framework and conditions. They don't want to be the spectator, the dabbler, the dopamine hit trader anymore. They want to move on and become the best trader they can under the right framework. And that is exactly why I've opened up the Elite Trader Training Program 2026. Let's be honest, most traders never really get built properly. They drift, they bounce between strategies, they buy random courses, they watch random videos. They get interested in futures one week, options the next, automation after that, and never actually build a serious lane. That is where most people lose years, not because they lack information, because they lack structure. The Elite Trader Training Program 2026 is designed to change all that. This is a 3-month, fully online, globally available program starting in the last week of September 2026, and is built for traders who want to stop drifting and step into something much more serious, and there are only 20 places available. Before the program starts, every accepted trader has a one-to-one planning session with me. That is where we choose the right lane. There are 3: futures trading, options trading, automated trading. Or you can have a combo of them if you so desire. So instead of coming in confused, scattered, or trying to do everything at once, you come in with a proper route. That matters because once you have a lane, you can finally start building properly. And this is not just a 3-month program on its own. This is now a far bigger stack. Inside ETTP 2026, accepted traders also receive access to Mastering Python for Trading, the Renko Bot Build, the new Learn to Trade course for beginners in the world of trading, before you even touch the September entrance. My Renko Samurai Trading and Trading Options for a Living book in PDF, recordings of the Renko Masterclasses, recordings of the Trading Options for a Living Masterclass. And on top of that, 2 lectures a week, 1 live seminar per week, monthly one-to-one sessions, a custom built trading plan, access to the resource platform, plus the futures trading competition. So this is not a thin offer. This is a serious trader development stack. Accepted traders also get immediate access to the included courses, books, tools, recordings and materials as soon as they become available and as soon as you sign up. So you're not simply sitting around waiting until September to get started. You start building momentum before the program even begins. But the real point here is not just what you get, it is what you become more capable of by the end of it. The aim is that you leave with a clearer trading identity, a defined lane that actually suits you, better structure, better understanding of execution and risk, a stronger plan, and a framework you can keep building on after the program ends. This is not about looking like a trader, it is about becoming more like one. And yes, there is also a futures trading competition running alongside the program. Winners receive £2,000 in cash and a straight to funded prop account, subject to the competition criteria being met, because this is not meant to feel theoretical. It's meant to create a proper standard, a proper target, a proper reason to raise your level. I've run this kind of program before, so I know what worked, I know what didn't. One of the biggest problems before was that traders came in at wildly different levels. That created drag. This time it's tighter, more structured, better filtered and built around what actually helps the right traders move forward. That makes the ETTP 2026 a much stronger version of the program. The full price is £5,500, but right now the first 5 places can get in for £2,999 before the end of March, and after that there's still 15% off until 31st of March. Then it moves to full price. There's also a 50% deposit option with the remaining balance due by the 31st of July. So if you're serious, now is the time to move, not later, now. So yes, traders wanted, but not just any old trader. I want the traders who want to make something of themselves, want to excel in the world of trading, want to put themselves through the structure, the discipline, the framework to give them the best possibility chances of success. Now, if that sounds like you, all you have to do is email me at info@thestopHunter.co.uk or check out my website www.thestoppunter.co.uk/trader training and register your interest. Remember, there are only 20 places available, and if you're quick enough, you can get it for £2,999.